This is the AI Daily Digest. Artificial Intelligence, Law and Technology in 5 minutes. Artificial intelligence has moved past the research phase and into a massive infrastructure war. We are seeing a shift where compute is no longer just a tool, but a primary asset class for the global economy. Nvidia is fundamentally changing how the world funds technology. The company has secured $500 billion in capital from giants like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs to treat AI hardware as a productive asset class. Jensen Huang puts it simply: compute is revenue. This isn't just about buying chips anymore. It is about building AI factories that can be financed like railways or power plants. This same drive for control is appearing in Europe. Mistral is pushing for AI sovereignty by building its own compute capacity. They are aiming for 1 gigawatt of capacity by 2030. To fund this, they are using Microsoft as an anchor customer. It is a pragmatic play. They are becoming a sovereign distribution layer that lets European enterprises run open models under strict regional controls. While the infrastructure grows massive, the models themselves are splitting into two opposite directions. On one end, Meta is returning to the open weights arena with Muse Glimmer. This 30 billion parameter model is built for end-to-end agentic tasks and reliable tool use. At the same time, LTX is releasing version 2.5, an open weights world model that integrates directly into Comfy UI, but the most surprising move is coming from the other end of the scale. Needle 2 is a tiny 45 million parameter model. It is designed to run on devices costing less than $200. It handles tool calling and device use with a memory ceiling of 28 megabytes. It proves that you do not need a frontier model to turn on a light or manage a smart home. This explosion of model availability is creating a hidden crisis in governance. There is a concept called the Supervision Paradox. It suggests that as AI output volume grows, it eventually exceeds the biological upper bound of human cognitive capacity. We call this V times L exceeding C max. The problem is that higher accuracy actually makes things worse. It increases the number of correct outputs that humans then have to act upon, while making errors harder to spot. To fix this, some researchers propose a flow-by-flow design. Instead of trying to judge the content, they suggest limiting the flow rate of submissions. One reference implementation is the physical waiting path. It requires applicants to physically wait at a verified office to get a submission code. It transforms the near-zero marginal cost of digital replication back into the physical cost of human time. The shift toward AI and digital assets is also reshaping the financial plumbing in the Middle East. Coinbase is establishing an international tokenization hub in Abu Dhabi. They have secured permission to arrange investment deals and provide custody for tokenized securities. This allows traditional assets like shares to be issued as blockchain-native tokens. This movement toward on-chain finance is mirroring a shift in the crypto markets themselves. Data shows that the strongest hands are returning to Bitcoin. Wallets holding over 10,000 BTC have hit a 6-month high. While smaller retail holders are stepping back due to security fears and regulatory delays, the whales are accumulating. This rotation of supply often precedes major price movements. Today's through line is the move from digital abstraction to physical reality. Whether it is Nvidia turning compute into a tangible asset class, Mistral building physical data centers for sovereignty, or the proposal to use physical weighting to stop AI spam, the trend is clear. The industry is realizing that the only way to maintain control and value in a world of infinite digital output is to anchor it back to physical constraints. That's all for today. Thanks for listening and see you tomorrow on artgems.ai.